This model has slightly wavy hair. By combining Vern cutting scissors with styling scissors, I use texturizing to cut to trim the length. This technique creates soft, natural ends, especially effective for wavy hair. It allows for quick and precise length adjustment, resulting in a more seamless and natural-looking layer. To increase volume and lift, I added support at the roots. You'll notice there are no visible scissor marks, and the hair volume is perfectly controlled, thanks to Vern Intelligent Combined Scissors with patented L-shaped teeth, recognized with invention patents in 32 countries worldwide. This is something other brands simply cannot replicate. To add more dimension and wispy effect to the hairstyle, I use Vern styling scissors with a slanting texturizing technique, focusing especially on the surface layers to elevate the overall shape. With just a quick blow dry, this stylish haircut is complete. Welcome to leave a comment. Hit the like, share, subscribe buttons, and click the bell to receive notifications of latest videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. You wanna buy Vern scissors? Get more details in description.